Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing with our Java series part 11, that is interfaces part 4. So let's discuss about the partial implementation of the interfaces. When an interface is partially implemented, the class implementing it defines few or none of the methods of an interface. This means that the class implementing the interface may contain or may not contain the definitions of the functions declared in which are in the interface. Second point, the class declares itself as abstract so that its child class implements all or remaining methods. This means that the class implementing it will be the child class of the class which should actually implement the interface. Let's understand the partial implementation of an interface with an example. Firstly, let's create an interface using the keyword interface and followed by its name. Let's name it as shape. Now let's define it by opening its parenthesis and let's declare a variable of double type and name it as pi and let's assign a value of 3.14. Now let's create two methods. The first will be double compute with the parameters x and y of double type and the second one will be void show without any parameters. Now let's close its parenthesis and finish the definition of our interface. Now as we have completed the definition and declaration of an interface, now let's create a class that partially implements the interface. So I am creating a class circle. Now let's start its definition by opening its parenthesis. As this class only implements it partially, so let's define only the compute methods. It's gonna return the product of pi, x and y. And let's finish its definition by closing its parenthesis followed by the parenthesis of the class respectively. Now let's create another class which inherits our class circle. Here I am naming it as display. So let's define it. In this definition of the class, let's define our second method, that is show. So this method prints this is show method in second class or child class of the circle. And let this class definition by closing its parenthesis as well, along with the void show functions parenthesis. Now let's define our class demo, which is our main method class. So let's declare our main method public static void main. In the coming videos, I am going to refer it as PSVM, the short form, string arguments. And let's define it by creating an object for the display class. To understand more about definition and creation of the objects, please watch my video on objects and classes. Now let's use it to access compute method and finally print the value. And let's call our show method using that same object. The output will be the product of 20.5, 10.0 and 3.4, that is 643.7. To understand about the parent class and child class, please watch my videos on inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Followed by the 643.7, the output will be this is the show method in the child class. That's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the interfaces part 5, in which we will discuss about nested interfaces. For detailed notes, mail me at bashirofficial2000@gmail.com. And last but not least, stay home, stay safe, learn well. May God bless you all. Bye bye.